channel. My name's Ava and this is my big sister, Elsie, and together we are Diamond.
Okay, Dad's gonna show you guys how to do the warp wall today. Who's ready?
Me!
You guys excited?
Yeah!
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, let's go, girls. Let's do this thing. Come on, let's go. Ready?
Ava.
Alright, Ava, tell them how old you are. Tell them how old you are, Elsie.
6!
Alright, let me explain to you guys how to do it. Come on over here. You see this curve right here where it curves?
Yeah,
You gotta explode right here on this part, okay?
Like right here.
Alright, let's get you lined up. But first, let me explain it to you. So it's actually 12 feet tall, and it's for both kids and adults. You can adjust the bar here. So as they get stronger or taller or older, you can work it up until they achieve the top. Alright, guys. Ava's gonna go first. Remember, Ava, powerful running and explode at the curve. Ready? Set, go!
Push up with your leg, Elsie.
Set, go!
Woo!
Good job, Elsie. Woo! All right, let go. Good job. All right, one more try, Ava. Here we go. Show them how it's done. At the curve, you gotta pop up.
Can I go again too?
I'm gonna do it. There we go. Go ahead. So close. All right, one more time. One more time. Go. Explode at the curb. Oh, all right. Now I'm going to show you how the adults do it. All right, here we go.
There we go.
Thank you for watching Dynamic Kids! And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye!